Hello everyone, I am Shweta and welcome to my channel Analytics by Shweta. In today's video, we will learn how to create the actual target overlap chart. If you see in our chart over here, we have the target value which is in purple and the actual value is overlapped on top of the target chart and the actual is represented in yellow color. If you see, if it is inside the purple, it means that the actual unit sold is less than the target. Whereas if it's overshooting the purple, that means we have crossed our target. So if you see fries, our target was 531, but our actual is 800. So it is going beyond the purple. So when it is going beyond the purple means we have exceeded our target. And if we are staying within the purple box, it either means we have exactly achieved our target or we are lesser than our target. So let's see how to create this chart. First, I'll just create a helper column for the data labels of the target. I'll explain to you later on how we do this and why we do it. So just add 250 to the target and create it. And first, select your actual and target and create a normal clustered bar chart. Remove the series, remove the title, actual, format data series, and you just need to select your fill and select the yellow color. Next, select your target and select the purple color. What you need to do is select first your target series and in the gap width, start reducing your gap width. So I have put it at around 40, I've just put it for 40%. Then select any one of your series and go to change chart type and the actual put it on the secondary axis and OK it. So if you see right now our actual is on top of the target, but it is completely overlapping. We do not have that one broad series and one narrow series effect. So select your actual series and go to gap width and increase your gap width. So you can play around and see how much you want. And I have put it at 131%. Then select your x-axis, put it in black color, bold it, and increase the font. Remove the secondary axis from here. Now add data labels to your series. Select your data labels, do format data labels, and do inside base so that it comes at the bottom. So we have added the data labels for the actual series. Now we need to add the data labels for the target. Just go here and add data labels. You see here, since its value is small, it comes on top of the actuals and it kind of messes the whole thing and we get confused which is the actual series, which is the data label for the target. So just delete it for the time being. Select your series, go to chart design and say select data. Then do add. Select help one and series, select it and do OK. So if you see our help one series is on the chart. Just select the chart series, go to change chart type and the help one, put it as a scatter plot and do OK. Now the scatter plot you go and add data labels. Format data labels, do value from cells and select your target value. uncheck Y value, uncheck leader lines and put it as above. Bold it, put it in black color and increase the font. If you see, we still have these scatter plot points over here. So select this, go to the fill option, go to marker, then go to marker options and say none. So if you see, our markers are gone from our chart and we have our data labels. From the legend, just delete this help one. Let us also make it bold and increase it. Let's try changing the values. Put it as 1000 for pizza, the actual value. It is exceeding. Let's also do it for burger. Burger, we will put it as 1500. It is updating. So you see, this is a completely dynamic chart. So in this way, you can show your target and actual values. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell for more updates. Thank you for your time and have a nice day.